For chicken Galawati kebab we need 250 grams of chicken, 1 medium sized onion chopped roughly, 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoons of roasted gram flour or Bhuna besan, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of any nihari masala, it could be of either Shan or any other brand, half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhaniya, half teaspoon of chilli powder. Take a pressure cooker and add 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then add the onions and let them turn golden brown. Now as you can see the onions have turned golden brown and we're going to add the ginger garlic paste and then the chicken and we'll saute it. To this we will add the spices, that is chilli powder, coriander powder and the salt. I'll just clean it with some water, the plate, I put the spices like this. This was 1/4 cup of water that I've added and now I'll saute it. So now is the time to put the lid on and we'll cook it for another 8 minutes. Now it's been almost 5 to 10 minutes since we switched off the flame. So we're going to open the pressure cooker and see. As you can see, most of the water is gone and now we will crush the chicken. I mean, we'll try to, this is what we'll do, because this is in a kebab style, like chicken Galawati kebab. So we will basically crush the chicken pieces into smaller pieces. Like these. So as you can see, I have reduced it to tiny pieces. And now we are going to switch on the flame again and complete the recipe. The chicken, are you seeing? It's been mashed into tiny pieces. And now we're going to add the curd. And mix it well. We're going to saute it till most of the water evaporates or is reduced. Now in the same bowl in which we had the curd, we'll take in half the bowl of water, half a cup of water, and we're adding the roasted gram flour or bhuna besan, 1.5 teaspoons, and we'll mix it well. And we will strain it through a sieve or a channi so that these lumps of besan or gram flour are not there basically. Now you can see the oil has properly separated and there's no water. Now we'll add the garam masala first, garam masala and nihari masala. We added the garam masala and we'll mix it well again. And now it's time to sieve the besan gram flour mixture through a channi. Just mix it well because the besan might have settled at the bottom. So this is We're doing this so that there are no lumps basically. We want no lumps of gram flour or wheat. So you can see it's pretty thick, and we're going to close the lid now and just take one whistle before we switch off the flame. Now all the steam of the cooker is out, so now it's time to open it. And transfer it to a bowl. So, as you can see, it looks something like this, and it is looking delicious and very nice. And the gravy is also thick, it is not very thin. We'll transfer it to a bowl. This is your chicken Galawati kebab. Thank you for watching.